Many kudos to Natasha at Treasure Books. We learned this fold from her. Someone in the studio had mentioned that they had seen it before, did not remember the technique. I had seen something similar that gave you pockets. I did not remember a technique for the fold. So we were delighted to watch Natasha fold this up several times, and she made it out of newspaper as a way to use newspapers, and it would yield you a newspaper, a folded book. So we tried that, and we tried different folds, and it comes up with lots of pockets, lots of places to tuck things. It's a lot of fun. It's a good way to use newspaper. So we really enjoyed it, Natasha. Shout out to you. And we'll step through the fold right quick and pass the technique along, because we just thought it was really neat. So just to give you an idea of the pockets, just took one that we folded up and loaded the pockets up with a few things. I thought there was something else tucked in this little piece of envelope that we had put in the end pocket. Does it go in the other one? It goes in sideways. There we go. So it can hold neat things. Bookmarks, tags. There's the double inside fold that you can use both folds for to hold something. Little cards, notepads, the end pocket, bigger pieces, outside pockets on both sides. Here's Wilkie. I finally found him. That's the covered paperclip we made with Wolfie on it. Yeah, it was around here somewhere. So this is how to make this fold quickly. We'll pass the technique along that we learned from Treasure Book and Natasha. So we're going to use this piece of paper here. I'll see if I can remember how to do it. Fold it in half. That's not quite even because I did glue two pieces. I glued a piece of Asian newspaper that I picked up at the market. So I'm just going to trim that even. I glued it on the back of one of our paper intervals. So we'll just give it an even trim. We'll try to give it an even trim. Let's try that again. There we go. All right. That's it. Let's test my memory. Fold both sides up to the middle. And you do need some pretty sharp creases, so hold itself. And see, I used glue stick just to cover up one particular part. I didn't like the image on there. Here I am having to glue back over it with Fabrifix, just like I've always said. So that's the last time I'm going to try using glue stick for anything. Every single time I use it, I have to go back and fix something with the Fabrifix because the glue stick didn't work. I'm not doing it again. And then you take the littlest amount here on each end and fold it in the same way along the edge. Give it an edge fold. Glue stick. Look at that deck blasted thing. I'll throw it out. I don't even want to be tempted with it no more. I'm serious. Look at crap. Hey, it doesn't get me all irritated. I'm gonna try to make a matching size fold on the other side. Get that to go down. Uh-oh. See? It's here. It's going in the trash right now. You hear that clunk? That's it hitting the trash. It's a mess. Well, let's just go ahead and do the folds here. If I have to fix it later, I have to fix it later. I'm going to use it for something. Okay. And then what you want to do is come in and fold all the corners in. Up to the first fold. Glue sticks got me just a little bit aggressive. I might have not folded that too good and tore it instead. Let's see how it goes. Alright. And so what she did was, well, I'm here and lined up your corners, and then back it up, give it a little edge right here, and then we're going to flip it over and crease it toward the other side. We're going to come this way with it. And then this one will come in this way. Crease it down. And you pick which one you want on top. I like that one. We'll push it in, tuck it in into the corner. Like so. And there you have the outside fold, in fold, little corner tucks right here, little corner tucks right here, the other in fold, and the other outside fold. And that's just the neatest daggone thing you ever seen. And then you can do one behind the other and sew them together like a signature in the middle, and have a little book type deal, like what I showed you a minute ago. So you can put several of them together and sew them together in the middle and stuff the pockets. Excellent, fun little thing to do. Have a good time with that.